Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Saira's Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great and enjoying wonderful projects over my channel. Today I have bring another sewing project. As you can see, we have this beautiful dress in front of us. This is the front of this dress, pretty unique look. One side is like a full arm cover, other side have an extra cutting. But we are going to work on our back. I will be sharing a picture around here what my client required and what was in her mind when she asked me to do work on this dress. So as you can see, this dress have a one full hand opening from button to zipper here, and then we have a zipper on the back of the fitting and go down to the hip area. So my client wants me to open this whole opening on a back, zipper opening on a back, and we are going to open full zipper and bring down top zipper to our this fitting line here, and we will be cutting the rest of the zipper. We are going to do this professionally, so if you want to learn sewing tips and techniques, you have to pay attention and watch this video till end. I'm so excited to do this project for my client and also to teach you as well. So let's go ahead and start it. This is how my client wants this opening on a back. So we're just gonna remove this zipper and bring this zipper to here. Since this zipper have a nicely teeth here, so I want to bring this here so her zipper still stay professionally, and also these eyelets we're gonna bring over here on our top. So just remove this zipper with the seam ripper, and then I will show you what's the next. Stay tuned. So this zipper we just need here. Okay. There's another thing. I'm gonna put this zipper aside. This zipper aside. The good thing is the lining and the front fabric, they both are having an overlock stitch here. They are sewed together, so we don't need to sew from inside. All I just gonna do the blind hem stitch on a same fold. I will stitch this fold and the lining with the blind hem stitch, or ladder stitch we call it, and we will have like a neat clean stitch. So we will make it easy with the upper. So upper part is almost, we know what to do. Now we're just gonna place a zipper inside from this bottom skirt, and just bring over here where we have our end, and we will be cutting the extra zipper size and just have this one hand zipper. Okay, so let's head to our sewing machine now. So this zipper is a roughly hand stitch with the hand needle thread I have roughly stitched. Now I just gonna flip the fabric, and then we will stitch on top of the roughly stitches. This just helps so our zipper stays steady, and also I know where to stitch. So I do have an old line here where we had to remove the zipper, so just want to make sure we are doing it very professionally and neat. So that's what it's gonna look like. We have removed zipper from top to bring down here. Okay, so let's head to our sewing machine now, and then next we're just gonna stitch from the inside and then flip the fabric, and the last step will be we will be hand stitching these opening with the same thread we have in this sewing kit. So here I'm using a zipper presser foot. Perfect. See that? Now we're gonna do the other side as well, but this looks so good. That's why we had a stitch, roughly hand stitched before we had a final stitches on top. So let's do other side and then I'll show you the rest.